Every e-commerce brand knows that email marketing is one of the most powerful ways to increase revenue, but the platform you use can make or break your results. Two of the biggest players in the space, Klaviyo and Omnisend, both promises advanced automations and higher conversions. But which one actually delivers more money into your pockets? I work with brands doing $50K all the way to $1 million per month and tested both platforms in real life scenarios. Today, I'm giving you a fair, no BS breakdown of how they compare and which one might just be a better fit for your business. Automation capability. So who does better, Klaviyo or Omnisend? So in terms of Klaviyo, there is advanced automation workflow. So Klaviyo does provide extensive and customizable automation workflows tailored for complex campaigns. So user can set triggers based on customer behaviors such as purchase behavior, browsing behavior, and also abandonment behaviors like checkout, cart, browse, and site. Klaviyo also offers comprehensive A/B testing. So Klaviyo allows for A/B testing across various elements like subject lines, email content, so you can compare plain text versus email designs, send times, so you can send in mornings or afternoons, and then also CTAs, which will help enable some data-driven optimization in the campaign and also flow level as well. So here's this example of Klaviyo's flow template. So this is for a welcome series. So whenever someone is added to a newsletter, they'll be shot a welcome email based on this flow's trigger behaviors. Omnisend offer pre-built, easy to customize workflow designed for e-commerce. They help facilitate quick setup of automation series for tasks like, cart abandonment, welcome series, and order confirmation. So in this screenshot of Omnisend's UI for their workflows, you can create flows like the welcome, abandoned cart, abandoned checkout, review request, and also review follow-up. And then this would be an example of how their flow layout would look like. So this is where you'll be building out your flows, adding any trigger filters, advanced filters, exit conditions, things like that. So moving on to integration and data. So how well do they work with an e-commerce store? So for Klaviyo, again, we all know that they offer deep e-commerce integration. So Klaviyo seamlessly integrates with major platforms like, Shopify, Magneto, and BigCommerce, which will help enable real-time data synchronization for personalized marketing efforts. So that real-time data is really going to help you create those dynamic products in your abandonment emails, abandoned cart emails, browse abandonment emails, things like that. They also offer advanced segmentation. So utilizing its built-in customer data platform, Klaviyo does offer robust segmentation based on the behavior, customer history, engagement, which will help you allow for, really highly targeted campaigns, such as if someone buys something like, let's say, a face cream, then you can probably upsell them something like a sample of, perhaps like a facial cleanser or, something along those lines. And here's just some top integrations for Klaviyo. So of course you can integrate it with Google Ads, Shopify, Meta Ads, collecting leads, things like that. Now for Omnisend, they have diverse integrations as well. Omnisend integrates with various e-commerce platforms, shipping providers, and CRMs, and also customer support software, offering flexibility in connecting different aspects of your business. Omnisend also has basic segmentation. So Omnisend provides segmentation capability based on, campaign activity, profile data, and shopping behavior. Omnisend also has segmentation. So Omnisend provides segmentation capability based on campaign activity, profile data, and shopping behavior, which are effective but less advanced compared to Klaviyo's offerings. So here are just some top Omnisend apps that you can install on Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Prime, also some loyalty apps, as well as, email capture list group apps. So this is probably the section you guys have been waiting for, revenue impact. So which platform actually makes you more money? In terms of Klaviyo's strengths, there's data-driven insights. So Klaviyo's advanced analytics and reporting features allow businesses to track metrics such as revenue, engagement, and also conversion rate, will help you facilitate optimizing for maximum ROI. There's also predictive analytics, so features like churn assessment and also lifetime value prediction enables proactive strategies to enhance customer retention and profitability. So here's an example of Klaviyo's campaign UI. You can see open rates, click-through rates, and also revenue generated based on each email campaign. Moving on to Omnisend's strength. So it's a cost-effective solution. Don't get me wrong, that it's the most affordable pricing plan. With more affordable pricing plans, Omnisend offers a budget-friendly option for small and medium businesses, potentially leading to better profit margins. Omnisend support for email, SMS, and web push notifications with a single platform allows for a cohesive marketing strategy that drives sales not only across email and SMS, but across multiple channels. Klaviyo is ideal for larger e-commerce businesses seeking advanced automation, deep data integrations, and comprehensive analytics to drive revenue growth. Omnisend is suited for small to medium businesses looking for an affordable, user-friendly platform with solid automations and omnichannel capabilities. And then here are just some final thoughts from me. So as an email marketer, I believe that the success of your email marketing hinges more on your strategy than the platform you choose. Both Klaviyo and Omnisend offer robust features, so I think the key here is to really select the one that aligns with your specific needs and also your budget. So it's pretty essential to assess your business requirement, team capabilities as well, and also financial considerations to determine which platform suits you the best. Overall, just remember that a well thought out strategy and consistent execution are what drives results, not the platform you choose for your email marketing. And if you want me to personally help you optimize your email marketing, book a free strategy call using the link below. And I'll see you in the next one.